We will get to the video soon. Do this for the channel, subscribe, at bottom right, of the video, while watching, it's free. This is done once, then every video, like, after watching, share. I am going to show you, how to take any sales page, turn it into a PDF, get it out there into free traffic, and make money, with affiliate marketing. First, get your affiliate link. In this example, I have a link, for a dog training book. If I take the link, post it direct, on social media, it can know, it's an affiliate link, and most platforms, don't allow that. What you can do, to get around this, is, search Google, for PDF converter. Pick any of the website, to convert the affiliate link, into a PDF. Download it. Next, open your affiliate sales page. Where you see, the access button, click it, it will take you, to the buy page. Copy the URL, of the buy page. Next, go to Sejda.com, to edit the PDF. Upload the PDF. Click links. Go through the PDF, anywhere you see, access button, highlight it, and put in, the buy page link. Click apply changes, and download. Next, search Google, for Google Drive, and log into your account. Upload the edited PDF. Open the PDF, and click share. Change this to, anyone with the link, can view this document. Copy the link, and save. This Google Drive link, is what you can share, on platforms, as an affiliate link, without getting banned. So now, I will give you 2 platforms, to get free traffic, to your affiliate link. Quora, is a question, and answer platform. Search for the topic, of your affiliate. This example, is a dog training book. So, search how can I train a dog. You will find questions, about this. Then answer, with your affiliate link in it. If someone read the answer, they will see, the dog training book link, and if they buy, you get your commission. Let me show you, how you answer questions, on Quora. Search Google, for your topic, you will find articles. Open one, copy, and paste, as your answer. Then edit. Anywhere you see, colored text, it is a link. Change the text, to your own words, so that the only link, in your answer, will be your affiliate link. This is, how, you put an affiliate link, in a Quora answer. Put call to action, anywhere in the answer. Example, type, click for the best, dog training book. Highlight the text. You will see link, in the menu, paste the Google Drive link, and close. If you put your cursor, on the call to action text, you will see your link. Publish, then test the link. The second platform is Pinterest. To create a Pinterest pin, go to canva.com, search Pinterest pin, it will take you, to the editing board. Take a look at the pins on Pinterest, related to your topic, and use that as a guide, to design your pin. Type in the topic. You will get templates. Some are free, pick one, change the text to your topic. You can search photos, if you want to change the image. Download. Next, go to Pinterest, log into your account, click Create Pin. Upload the pin, add your title, description, and the rest. Where you see link, paste the Google Drive link there. Save, and you are done. These pins get a lot of views, so if your affiliate pin, is there, and get views, chances are, you can make money. This is how, to use PDF, to post affiliate links, on platforms, without detection, because, some social media, don't allow affiliate links. Before you leave, if you want financial freedom, join the Wealth Creation Club, link is in description box.